In this video, I would be explaining about the virtual reality. How the virtual reality, the actual meaning, how it works. So, virtual reality immerses one in a virtual world through the use of a headset with some type of screen displaying a virtual environment. Mostly, this virtual environment is set by the software. The software has to be developed, and this developing the software plays a very important role. The main and the ultimate thing of VR is this software. Next, other thing is like the headset. The headset is used in VR also is a technology called head tracking. So towards this headset, by wearing the head mounted device, there is a sensors that will track the movement of one's user, which allows you to look around the environment by physically moving the head. The display will follow whichever the direction you move, giving you a 360-degree view of the virtual environment. So here we can able to see a person is using the head mounted device, which is usually termed as HMD. So how he will experience, I will explain. Virtual reality is a simulated experience that deploys 3D near eye displays and pose tracking to give the user an immersive feel of a virtual world. Applications of virtual reality it include like entertainment, particularly video games, education such as medical, safety, military, as well as in civil and architectural areas, and business such as virtual meetings. VR is one of the key technology in the reality virtuality continuum. As such, it is different from other digital visualization solutions such as augmented reality and augmented virtuality. Currently, standard virtual reality systems use either virtual reality headsets or multi-projected environments to generate some realistic images or sounds and other sensations that simulate a user's physical presence in a virtual environment. A person using virtual reality equipment is able to look around the artificial world, move around in it, and interact with virtual features or items. The effect is commonly created by VR headsets consisting of a head mounted display with a small screen in front of the eyes, but can also be created through specially designed rooms with multiple large screens. Virtual reality typically incorporates auditory and video feedback, but may also allow other types of sensory and force feedback through haptic technology. So here the types of VR, there are certain types of VR devices. So in this moment there are two major types of headsets. Both have their pros and cons, which we will be consider if you are we will be consider it if you are going to purchase that one. The first type has a screen built into the headset. These devices connect to a computer and require a pretty powerful system to operate smoothly. They have great graphics and perform well, but they are also pretty expensive also. A few popular examples of these include the Oculus Rift, the Vive, and the PlayStation VR, which connects to the PlayStation 4 game console. Some of these devices come with handheld controls that track the hand movements as well, providing for a more interactive experience. The other type of headset houses your phone and uses a screen as the display. These don't require a computer and run completely off of apps on your smartphone. The graphics and performance levels on these headsets aren't quite as good as those with a built-in screen, but they do tend to be much cheaper. So some that popular examples include Google Cardboard and the Gear VR. These are the main types of VR devices